Hey guys, it's Jess from Sally Tomato and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install zipper cord ends. I call them zipper cord ends because they can go on the ends of zippers or cords for drawstring bags. They're super easy to install and they look very professional. So let's get started. To install this hardware, you'll only need a few supplies. You'll need your zipper, one zipper cord end, and this type of hardware also comes with a small little screw, so hang on to that. This is the nickel finish, and this type of hardware comes in 5 different colors. There's also gold and antique, and gunmetal and rose gold. So pick whatever hardware color you'd like to go best with your zipper color. You'll also need a small screwdriver, and lastly you'll need some permanent glue. So these are 2 different brands that I like to use. There's E6000, and this is an industrial strength glue, and then also Loctite. I find that Loctite doesn't have as strong of an odor as E6000, but either of these you can find on our website, your local craft store, or your hardware store. So we're going to start by taking the raw end of the zipper that you want to install the cap on, and flip your zipper over to the wrong side that doesn't have any coil showing, and we're going to fold the raw end so it'll fit inside of the cap. So I take one side of the tape and I fold it all the way over so that way it's nice and tight with the coil. And then the opposite side I fold once, just about halfway, and it meets about where the coil begins, and then I fold it again. So we have a nice tight fold. Then you're going to take your end cap, and I like to fill it with glue first, so that way it's just a little bit more secure. We're also going to screw it in place. But take your glue and fill up the cap, and then you're going to have the wrong side face up since we're looking at the wrong side of the zipper. So the wrong side has these grooves on it, and you see the screw hole. And I have a little bit of frayed edge here, so I'm just going to trim that off. And you're just going to slide your zipper coil inside of the cap. Then you're going to, after it's shoved in as far as you can go, then you're going to take that small screw and you're going to screw the zipper cap in place. So then you have a nice clean folded edge and your cap is installed, so your zipper pull won't slide off the end of your tape. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe below. I also put a link to the hardware below this video. If you do use it in a project, be sure to tag Sally Tomato. See you next time!